right, guys, we made it to our 25th state, for real this time. We made it to Nebraska! Let's go to the van!
Slowly.
Oh, I'm so tired. We just made it to Scotts Bluff. We took the covered wagon, and we had to go all the way down the old Oregon Trail. Rain broke her leg, the kids got pneumonia. I shot too many buffalo and I couldn't even pack it up, so we're here finally. This right here is Scotts Bluff. So this big old rock right here, that's actually called Eagle Rock. 500 feet of Great Plains Pass, and it says, watch out for rattlesnakes. We just made it to the top of Scotts Bluff National Monument. We had to take Salad Road all the way up here, and it took 1.6 miles, a couple cool tunnels, and now we're at the top of the overlook.
I could see the Chimney Rock. You could also see the Castle Rock.
North Overlook Trail. Oh, jeez.
Yippee, 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 yippee. It's only me and Joshua. The two poopies are sleeping. Scott Memorial. Hiram Scott, employee of the Rock Mountain Fur Company, died in the vicinity of this bluff in 1828 after being deserted by his companions near the junction of the Laramie and North Platte Rivers. U.S. Department of the Interior, National Park Service.
Dude, how are you gonna lead your companion? Holes.
We made it to the viewpoint.
Oh, I just realized they were looking at me.
So right now we are at Runza, and this is only in Nebraska. Runza sandwiches are yeast dough pocket filled with beef and some seasonings, cabbage or sauerkraut. Tasty. The meat is tender, and then the bread is soft. We got actually cabbage, onions, and ground beef. In the Philippines, we used to have bread siopaw. It's bread. It's not made of. It's not like the dumpling or the bao. It's bread, and inside is adobo. Is asado. So this one reminds me of asado siopaw, but beef. But it says this food is also originated from German. Oh. And they also got rings, fries, and onion rings.
Runza, I'm so full I could barely walk za. Dun-dun. They got 3 of these power boxes and then 3 of these spigots, so 2 vehicles could share each one. And look, right there they got a porta potty. Let's see what the sign says. First 2 days, no charge. Additional days, $25 per day. Dude, that's so awesome. Why can't more places be like this? All right, let's check out this porta potty. It's not too dirty. Can't complain, it's free for the first 2 days. And look at it, right across the street is a park. We got the internet hooked up. We should have some high-speed internet in about 5 or 10 minutes. It's like noon. The kids are feeling sick. I'm kind of feeling a little sick, so I'm gonna call it a day. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.